Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video we will be going through our alligator trading strategy in depth and how we use it in combination with price action. The alligator indicator is always implemented into any trading platform because of its simplicity. It's one of a few indicators that even a newbie can use. If you want more videos more often, please smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notifications bell so that you know exactly when new content is released. A very important point before we start. Everything we discuss in this video can be used for currency trading, stock trading, and crypto because price action stays relatively consistent across different assets, so we're going to go very in-depth in this video. In this video, we will discuss a trading strategy called Alligator. This is a slightly simplified variant of a well-known strategy by Bill Williams' Profitability. The alligator indicator is one of the basic trend indicators. The idea of the indicator is simple. Determine the trend. Bill Williams believed that market players collect most of their profits during strong trends. When Mr. Williams was working on the indicator, he followed the presupposition that the financial markets move within the trend just 15% to 30% of the time, while markets are in sideways ranges the other 70% to 85% of the time. What Williams' alligator stands for? The alligator indicator is a trend indicator that consists of three lines. Smooth moving averages. Bill Williams called these moving averages balance lines. Each of them depicts a part of the alligator's mouth. Alligator's jaw. Blue line. The slowest moving average. It is a 13-period moving average, which is moved 8 bars forward. Alligator's teeth. Red line. The intermediate 8-period moving average, which is moved 5 bars into the future. Alligator's lips. Green line. The fastest moving average among three. It's the 5-period moving average, which is shifted 3 bars ahead. Why the alligator indicator matters. Alligator is not the only indicator created by Bill Williams. Nonetheless, it's famous among traders all around the world. The popularity is based on simplicity and accessibility. You can easily find the indicator on any trading platform. Also, you don't need to change any settings. If you are familiar with other indicators, you know that most of them require changing the settings regarding the timeframe you trade. It's not the case with the alligator indicator. Moreover, it's easy to remember the signals the indicator provides. Just associate the indicator with an actual alligator and imagine its life stages. How the alligator pattern works. Let's see how the indicator works and what signals it gives. The alligator is always implemented into any trading platform because of its simplicity. It's one of a few indicators that even a newbie can use. The name of the indicator is not random. Bill Williams created the analogy with the alligator to describe the behavior of the market according to the phases of the alligator's daily routine. For example, the time of the trend absence or sideways moves relates to the alligator's sleeping. After the alligator wakes up and looks for its prey, it's a period of the trend. The trend strength depends on the length of the sideways trading as the alligator's hunger depends on when it was sleeping. Traders use this indicator to determine the lack of a trend, a period of the trend formation, and its direction. Lack of the trend. It's the time when our alligator is sleeping, so its jaw, teeth, and lips are serried. As a result, all Bill Williams' three lines are either too close to each other or intertwined. In this chart, as you can see, the pair had been trading sideways and the indicator's lines were crossing each other. Mr. Williams recommended staying out of the market in times of consolidation. Trend formation. We can notice the formation of a trend when the fastest moving average or green line crosses the other two lines. All of the lines should move in one direction. The strength of the trend will reflect the length of the sideways movement. The bigger the distance between the lines, the stronger the trend is. Trend direction. The course of the moving averages simply identifies the direction of the trend. If they move down and widen even more, it's a strong signal of the downtrend. If they move up and diverge from each other, it's a sign of the strong uptrend. Note that all three lines are under the price in the uptrend and above the price during the downtrend. Nevertheless, it's more important for a trader to determine the direction in the initial stages. You can learn the trend direction following the fastest or green moving average. If it crosses other lines from top to bottom, it's a signal to sell. When it breaks above both moving averages, it's a signal to buy. Trend strength. You can detect the power of the indicator not only by the spread between the moving averages but the price interaction. If the price goes beyond the green line for short periods, it's a signal that the trend will soon end. The more times the price breaks the green line, the weaker the trend becomes. Basic principles of the alligator trading strategy. The alligator indicator is the main indicator of the strategy. It defines the trend. When the three main lines of the indicator, or moving averages, are going horizontally, intertwined, the market features no clear trend. Conversely, when the lines diverge and go in one direction, up or downwards, this forecasts a possible beginning of a new trend. The awesome oscillator is based on the difference between two simple moving averages. It helps to define the current trend and find the places of possible reversals on the chart. The indicator looks like a bar histogram under the price chart. If the market is growing, the bars also grow and turn green, and when the market is falling, the bars follow suit and turn red. The FRACTALS indicator shows the local highs and lows reached by the market on the chart. The extremes are highlighted by special directed marks. Fractals demonstrate the borders of local price ranges in many strategies, including the alligator. To start trading by the alligator, install all the three indicators of the strategy on the price chart of your financial instrument. You may either use the default settings or play with them and find those that suit your trading style. In MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, install the indicators via the main menu, Insert, Indicators, Bill Williams, Alligator, Awesome Oscillator, and Fractals. To start trading by the alligator, the market must be sleeping. That is, the jaws, teeth, and lips of the alligator indicator must be intertwined, going horizontally. The awesome oscillator must be near zero. The entry signal will appear when the alligator lines, and the oscillator will start moving in one direction. It will be confirmed by a breakaway of the nearest fractal on the chart. A signal to buy by the alligator strategy. A signal to buy appears when a sleeping period changes for an upward movement. To enter the market, make sure that the following conditions are complied with. First, the intertwined lines of the alligator start going upwards and diverge. The alligator opens its jaw upwards, hunting the bears. Second, the histogram of the awesome oscillator starts growing from zero, its color is green. As the entry point, take the level of the nearest fractal, lying above the alligator lines. The price escapes the local range upwards. Initially, place the stop loss behind the level of the nearest opposite fractal, lying below the alligator lines. Later on, when the price is growing confidently, bring the stop loss to the break-even. The main landmark for taking the profit is the red line of the alligator. When the candlestick closes under the red line, close your profitable position. A signal to sell by the alligator strategy. A signal to sell appears when a sleeping period changes for a downward movement. To enter the market, make sure that the following conditions are complied with. First, the intertwined lines of the alligator start going downwards and diverge. The alligator opens its jaw to devour careless bulls. Second, the histogram of the awesome oscillator starts declining from zero, its color is red. Third, the price breaks away the nearest local fractal lying below all the three alligator lines. Initially, place the stop loss behind the level of the nearest opposite fractal, above the alligator lines. After opening a position, follow the trade this way. Transfer the stop loss to the break-even after the red moving average of the alligator reaches the opening price. If the movement is calm, take the profit after the price reverses upwards and the candlestick closes above the red moving average of the alligator. Here are other examples of alligator trading strategy. Once again, to start trading by the alligator, the market must be sleeping. That is, the jaws, teeth, and lips of the alligator indicator must be intertwined, going horizontally. As always, if you learned something new, or if you want more videos more often, make sure you subscribe, click the notification bell, and leave us a like to show your support. See you next time.